What's up, YouTube? What's up? Yerkyholic, aka Jake, coming at you with another video. We got another pastime. Focus as it goes here. Okay. As you can see, got 4 of those. Got 2 ARs and an ARP, so that'll be very helpful. And I got an extra one. Oh, these shells are sick. I got the 300 Spartan logo on head mount. 300 black belt. Yes, sirski. See if it comes with any stickers. Nah, no stickers. Hey dog, that shit cool stuff. Kick it. Got one more little package here. This is just some. Here, I'm gonna open it real quick. This is just 2 hand grips for like any pistol style gun, like 2 honeycomb hand grips. Something nice. Because my Ruger doesn't have, like, I don't like the grip on it. I'm either gonna replace the grip or hopefully I can just throw this on and it will help out. But yeah, it came in a 2-pack, and if they work well, I might throw one on my ARP or another AR or something. Yeah, it's my little unboxing. Got some other stuff coming soon. You'll see it. If you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.